Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to share a brand new AI tool, a AI tool that you can use to crush it online and start making money online in 2024. Yes, that's right. Use this AI tool, make money online, and create a real successful internet money making business and live the life of your dreams in 2024. If you're watching one of my videos for the first time, make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. My YouTube channel is all about make money online, work from home, affiliate marketing, Clickbank, traffic generation, lead generation, etc. So if you're interested in one of these topics, make sure you click that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. If you have questions, leave a comment for me. I am here to help you. I want to see you make multiple six figures online. All right. So let's dive into this video. And by the way, if you want to learn more about how to make money online and you want to take your business to the next level, then make sure you check out all the links in the description box below this video. You're going to find a free training video, a six-figure free training video that's going to show you how to build a real internet business and make up to $100,000 plus online from the comfort of your home without spending a single dime on paid traffic. That's right, it's real and people are making money online. So make sure you check out all the links in the description box below this video. All right, so let's dive into this video. An AI tool, AI robot, and make money online using the AI tool. And you can do so many stuff with this AI tool. You could translate a video, you could create captions into a video, you could do so many stuff. And now job has become easy. You don't even need any experience, you don't even need any technical skills. You can just use this brand new AI tool and take your business to the next level. And I'm going to give you one or two ideas in here so you can become more creative and find more ways to use this AI tool and start making money online and use this for 2024. Okay, so let's dive into this video. Okay, the software is called Rask. Okay, Rask AI tool. I'm going to show you the features that this tool can offer to you and you can start making a lot of money online. Okay, so I'm just going to log out first, okay, because it's telling me to do something that I don't want to do. So let's just go back. Let's go to that AI tool. Okay, and I'm just going to come here and look at this. They've got so many categories and so many sections down here: educational videos, marketing, YouTube multi-language audio, etc., etc. Our products, roles, tools. Look at what you can do with this tool, man. Transcribe YouTube videos, YouTube video translator, transcriptions, video to text, add subtitles, audio translator. Oh my word. I bet you're getting a haha moment here. You're probably thinking, wait a moment, wait. I could start working from home. I can really make money online using this tool. I could just go out there, offer a service to people, charge them for it, and use this tool to do that. That's right, you can do it now. You got so much features. Look at this. Transcribe a video. Do you know how many people want their video to be transcribed into different languages? Do you know how many people on YouTube want their video to be translated, want their video to be turned into a text, add subtitles? You can do all of this using this AI robot AI tool. Very, very, very good tool. Okay, so let me give you some ideas. So you could come here, okay, you could translate a video, you could turn a video into a text, add some subtitles, and you might be thinking, wait a moment, where am I going to get those people to come to me and say, okay, here's a video we want you to translate? There are so many websites out there. If you just go into google.com and type in YouTube video translation services or video transcribe services, YouTube video service, you're going to find millions of websites that's offering these services, and you could sign up and register for your free account and start offering those same services as well. But I'm just going to give you one or two ideas in this video too as well. Okay, so just stay tuned for that. So this is a great website, great tool that you can use, and it's an AI robot that does all the heavy lifting for you. Okay, So you could go to our website. Let me just give you a couple of ideas that people are doing this, but I don't know if they're using the AI tool, but you can use this AI tool to get all this done. So if you go to our website called Fiverr.com, right? You go to Fiverr.com and you come here and look at this. These are people offering the service. Look at it. I will translate and add English or Spanish subtitle to your video. Guess what? You don't have to do this manually anymore. You could just come to here and tell this AI robot to do everything for you. So simple. Oh my word. This is going to be so amazing. Look at this guy. This guy's got a 5-star review. Okay. And he's got over 1,000 plus orders. Let me just click on it and let me see what he has to offer. Okay. So I could see the basic package. Okay. It's going to give me a subtitle professional. Okay. Whatever. Standard is going to be £20. British pound. Premium is going to be £41. All right. And look what he's doing. English and Spanish, okay? He has more information if you go down, okay? Look at this. Oh my word. Now everything has become more easy. You can just do this. You can offer a service. Come here. He's got over 1,000 plus orders, 32 orders in queue. This is so amazing, okay? If I go down, if I go back, and let's see if I could find some more people, okay? Video translation, okay? Let's just come down. Let's see what else we can find here. Right. It's the same guy. They're probably doing a great job that we could see that everyone's just ordering from that same person. Right. So you could do different languages, okay? You could come here, you could do different languages, you could turn your video into a lot of things. Look at this guy. This guy has to offer Arabic subtitle captioning. This guy is a Korean video. Okay, so look at this. You could offer so many services, and I'm just giving you one website. There are some other websites as well. If I go to okay, if I go to odesk.com, now they've turned it into upwork.com, okay? And if I go to freelancer.com, okay, there you go. You got some. I've got giving you another 2 websites where you can offer these services. People are going to come to you. They're going to hire you for these jobs. Look at this here. You can see all the information on upwork.com. You can just enter all your information, register for a free account, add some descriptions about your services. People are going to come here and say, okay, we want to order this service. All right. And you're going to get paid, and you can charge people per hour or per complete task. Okay. If you come to freelancer.com, that's another website that you can come and you can add your information, description information, and see how people you can use how to start offering services and start making some real money online. Okay, this is a real internet business I'm sharing with you, and you don't have to do it manually. You just have to come to this website, register for a free account. Okay, and I guess it is limited with a free account. If you want all the features, you might have to pay for it, but look at the things that you can do with this. Oh my word, man, this is amazing. And guess what? You could also offer this AI tool to other people too and make money online. Okay, so if you just scroll right to the bottom, okay, let's just come here and let's see if we can find it. Okay, become an affiliate. Look at this. Okay, become an affiliate. So if you become an affiliate, you click on here, register for a free account, and then you can recommend others to this place. And guess what? You can get paid commissions when anyone comes and joins and buys any services from this website. Okay, so that's how simple it is. You can make a lot of money with this by offering services on a website called Fiverr, on a website called Upwork, on a website called Freelancer, and there are plenty of websites where you can offer services and start getting paid handsomely working from home and make real money online as a beginner in 2024. Basically, what I'm trying to say is you can turn your passion and you can turn this internet machine into a real cash machine. Another way to do this is you could go to YouTube, okay, and you can go to some channels that has a lot of engagement, and you could contact these people and say, hey, your video is is in English. If you want, I could translate your video into a different language for a small amount of fee. So you offer them a service and you give them a price, okay? And you can do this. Now, don't expect to get a response with one message by sending one message to one YouTube channel owner. It doesn't work like that. You have to send messages to multiple channels and multiple video, and you need to be persistent, because persistent is the key to success. So you keep on sending out these kind of messages, and one of the guys is going to come up, response with a positive answer saying, yes, I would like you to translate my videos into this language. What are you going to charge me? And then you could put a fee to them and say, hey, here's my charge. You charge them and you give them the hope as well, because guess what? If a person could get his video translated into another language, he could get a reach of that video globally into other countries as well. Okay, so he could either upload that same video onto his YouTube channel or create a brand new YouTube channel with a different language, okay, Spanish or French or Arabic or Chinese language, and get people to get more engaged and make more money. Okay, so this is a very good way you can do, and you can start doing this using this AI tool now. Okay, if you want to make money with Clickbank and you want to turn you're interested in learning all about Clickbank, that I do have a course all about Clickbank. Okay, just go to udemy.com, type in Clickbank, and you're going to see this guy as an image, this guy smiling with cash falling down, and you're going to see my name as well. Just click on that and buy this link. Guess what? Buy this course. I have covered a lot of good things in this course, and you can use the same method and apply it to other different courses too, okay, products too. Now, for any reason you didn't like what you saw in this course, it's 100% risk-free, comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Okay, so if you don't like what you see, or you believe it was a waste of time, just get your money back. Okay, just get your money back. It's simple as that. Okay, I highly recommend, if you're interested in learning more specifically about Clickbank, then I highly recommend you buy this course. Okay, and number two, if you want to learn how to build a real business and make thousands of dollars in commissions every single year, and especially with a training program that just launched a couple of months ago, and you can make money using free traffic, then I highly recommend you check out the links in the description box below this video. Okay, because I have a link where you can see that free training from a super affiliate who has generated more than 4.6 million visitors on his affiliate link in one network, and he is generating $30,000 plus in commissions every single month. He's going to show you how he's doing it using free traffic, no paid traffic, and how you can copy him, do the same thing. Okay, so that's all for now. If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. This is a must. You have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you click that subscribe button. It should be anywhere on this page below this video. Just click on that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video related to make money online, and you get to learn more ways and more extra features of how to build a real make money online business. Okay, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your followers, with your friends, with your loved ones, with the people you care. And if you have questions, just leave a comment for me.